Hello, my name is Stefan Langer and I'm Business Development Manager at Zinpro Animal Nutrition. I would like to give you some recommendations how to improve feed efficiency in grower finisher pigs. Feed efficiency, typically expressed as feed conversion ratio, is the feed intake over a given period of time divided by the weight gain in the same time period. There are four major groups of factors affecting feed efficiency: the animal itself, the feed, the management, and the technology. Today we're looking at the feed, the way it's made, the way it's formulated, and investigate how some of the additives might help us to improve feed efficiency. The animal's final weight and its genetic are surely two major factors on feed efficiency. Furthermore, the management, the wastage control, the way the environment is controlled around the animal, and the stocking density play a very important role. The technology in terms of the way the feed is delivered and the availability of feed and especially water are significant factors. Among the feed factors, the grinding seems to be one of the important ones. Fine grinding helps to improve the surface area and with it the digestibility of the nutrients in the feed. Grinding also helps with the handling and the uniformity of mixing. Too fine grinding, on the other hand, might increase the risk of bridging in the silos and surely increases the risk of gastric ulcers. Gastric ulcers are also related to many other factors, such as the type of grain, the environmental stress, and non-feed events, such as running out of water or running out of feed. As shown in the table, a level of about 500 microns or 0.5 millimeter is the optimal level to improve feed conversion ratio in nursery pigs. An average particle size of about 600 to 700 microns seems to be the best choice for grower finisher. It allows to have a very good FCR on one hand. On the other hand, it avoids very sharp increase of production cost and a much higher risk of ulcers if we grind much finer than that. Swine feed should be pelleted unless you have very low ingredient cost or very high cost of production. The heat applied during the pelleting improves the digestibility of the nutrients in the feed. It gelatinizes the starch and helps with the binding of the pellet, and also kills Salmonella and E. coli. However, if you have too high fines level above 10%, the effect of FCR seems to be rather small. Increased energy density, as you can see in this table from the left to the right, can improve the feed conversion ratio. However, there are many other factors, such as the balance of all other nutrients to the energy you apply, are highly important. Amino acids and the excess of protein have a large effect on feed conversion as well. Therefore, a formulation for lower proteins using free amino acids is typically a way to improve feed efficiency further. Enzymes are often used to improve FCR. Their effects vary greatly depending on the type of grain or byproduct as well as the type of enzyme used. Multi-enzyme complexes show the most consistent response on digestibility and FCR in grower finisher. The improvements are about 2% for all types of grains and co-products. Synergies exist between enzymes, and the combination of different enzymes seems to be the most efficient way of using them. Furthermore, copper is often used to improve feed efficiency. Highly significant effects, however, on growth and feed intake are only observed at 5 to 25 kg body weight with up to 150 ppm of copper. Till about 45 kilograms, a copper level of 120 to 160 is most effective in improving performance. Higher levels might result in negative effects on growth rate. A level of 120 to 125 ppm are optimal for FCR. At higher body weights, the results in the literature on FCR are not very consistent. The addition of organic trace elements in form of avayla chrome or the combination of avayla chrome with avayla zinc have been shown to improve FCR in grower finisher pigs compared to a control group with inorganic sources of trace elements. To summarize, feed conversion ratio can be improved by proper grinding and pelleting, by the right level of energy and the proper balance of essential amino acids, by reducing excesses of protein, by the addition of multi-enzyme complexes, copper, as well as available chrome and available zinc. Thank you for your attention.